Good morning, trick stars. Today, we're going to teach you how to have your dog step on a target. I have 3 different targets here. The target is something we use for stunt dogs. It is 12 inches round and no more than 1.25 inches tall. These started out as round discs, and they've been decorated with various surfaces. The first one, I simply painted the outer edge yellow, and these are plastic discs that you can get off Amazon, and they were stuck on there with double-sided tape. Let's see if I can show it to you. See, just plastic discs and double-sided tape. One side's red and one side's yellow. This one is probably a little more unique, if you can see it. Again, it's just a regular wooden disc. Outer edge is yellow. One side is blue and one side is yellow. Now, what you probably can't see from this surface is this is actually piece of flexible cutting board. I got it Bed Bath & Beyond and cut it to size. It has a non-slip surface, so the dog doesn't slip and it doesn't slip where you set it down. Now, the reason I've chosen blue and yellow is those 2 colors are the colors that a dog sees best. Dogs, in case you don't know, are colorblind, so it's sometimes difficult, and we wanted to give them the best option. And 2 different colors on the different sides, depending on the mat you're working on. So lighter mats, I may use the dark blue side up, and darker mats, such as in my training center, I'll probably use the yellow side up. The last one I have was kind of fun, and if you can see it, it was a wooden disc I painted. One side I painted blue, the other side I painted yellow. And this is actually the Stunt Dog logo from Do More With Your Dog in a laminate stencil. And I had a gal made the laminate stencil for me, but I think it's kind of a lot of fun. You can decorate your disc any way you want. There was a gal that did one that used paint and made dots and let them dry, and the dots actually made the textures. Get creative. You can cover it with a piece of carpet. You can draw on it. You can use sticky tape on it, whatever works for you, okay? These discs have gotten harder and harder to find pre-cut, okay? I've found them at 2 places, one being Ace Hardware, which is pretty much around the United States. It was actually 11 3/4 inches tall, or in diameter, and it was approximately $9. The other one I found is at Menards, MENARDS. It's only in certain parts of the United States. And it was around $4, and it actually had a beveled edge. It's really pretty. So there's a couple places you might find pre-made ones, or if you're handy, you could, of course, make one of your own by either routering it or using a jigsaw. So these are the targets that we're going to use. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to use them. Okay, so for this particular exercise, we're going to work on shaping the behavior. And what we want is the dog's Jammer, come here, front feet on the target. Now he knows this game, and he's going to be pretty good about putting his feet on here. Yes. But to begin with, let him come up. In fact, show him the target. Wait. Show them the target. Let them sniff it. See what it is. Touch it. Yes. Good boy. okay, when he goes to it, and click it and let him get on it. Now the idea is, no matter where we're coming from, Jim or heel, he should go to the target. Target. Yes. Both feet, come on. Both feet up there. He can't cheat even when he's a big dog. Both feet need to be on the target. Okay, Jim or front. Good. Here, target. Yes. Oh, stay on the target. Okay. So one of the things is we want him to stay on the target, okay, until we tell him to get off. Sit. Yes. All right. Or be able to do tricks from the target. Good. All right. But he needs to end up with both feet, front feet, back on the target. Yes. Good dog. All right, so that's what our goal is, to have him step on the target. Now these targets are used for dog actors. When they have a spot in a show, you can put this out, and perhaps the trainer is going to send the dog to the target, and then the dog will do something or just stand there or whatever. But they edit out the target so you can't see it in the final production. Now, the target itself can give you lots of options to teach different things. How about good close-in heeling? Heel. Heel, come on. Okay, so he's staying close to me. Heel. Good. Heel. And his feet are staying on the target. Okay, so he's learning a position with it. Perhaps you're going to do some distance work. Okay, stay. And I'm going to move a little away. One of the distance trick rolls, stay. Sit. Good. Wave. Wave. Jimmer, wave. Come on, paw. Oh, he's not doing it for us. Sit. Good. Wave. That looks like a stand to me. So you could do your doggy push-ups, sit and stand using the target, but also wave. Yes, that's better. Good. Speak. Good boy. Okay, lots of different things. But first, Jimmer, come. Jimmer, target. They've got to learn to go to the target. Yes, sirree, Bob. There you go. Good job. So that's the target. That's what I want you to work on. Remembering that this simple beginner trick is something that can be used throughout your dog's career as you further and further into the trick world or stunt dog world. So make sure you get this one down pretty good, okay? See you guys later. Bye now.